I'm very pleased and honored, of course, to be partnering with the DOSC National Capital Region in championing Philippine textiles. Alam ko, hindi muli sa alaman ng iba sa atin na siguro mga 15 or 20 years ago, sino ba mag-aakala, yun ang nanganib na ahensya yun, nandito ngayon. But I think those are reminders of what has actually turned around. Dati, pag sinabi mo, sinabi lang namin yung sa Ilocos. Pero ngayon, minsan sinusot na rin siyang blazer. And you see how Philippine textiles has transformed. Ulit-ulit ko nga rin kung sinasabi, kapag may mga okasyon minsan, ang usapan dati ay kung sino yung kumikinang at kumikintab. Pero ngayon, ang pinag-uusapan na kung anong suot mong hobby. Dahil pag hindi ka nakasuot, parang medyo wala kang sa uso. So yun po ay mga pagbabago, hindi lamang ng ating consumer behavior, pero maski na rin po ng ating pagkakilitino. And we are very lucky and very pleased because we are partnering not just with the scientific community in the DOST, but also of course with our cultural agencies, and we're very happy with the partnership as well of the Intramuros Administration. Gusto ko lang pong i-emphasize na nag-isa lang po ang institute o ang opisina o tanggapan ng gobyerno na may mandato sa textiles. Yun po ay ang Philippine Textile Research Institute. O hindi ko po ulit, isang ahensya lang po ng gobyerno ang mayroong mandato sa textiles. Ito po ang Philippine Textile Research Institute at ito po ay nasa ilalim ng Department of Science and Technology. Ibig sabihin po nito, this is all fueled by innovation, by science, by something more cranial, other than just simply the whim of buying a cloth or buying a piece of fabric. So kami rin po ay mapalad sapagkat sa dami naman ng ahensyang pakakahanayan ng PTRI, nasa loob po kami ng Department of Science and Technology. Ibig sabihin po kasi sa loob ng Department of Science and Technology, walang tutu, walang so-so. Because the measure is science and technology. So pag hindi ka marunong, hindi ka maglalas within the Science and Technology Department. Which means that we elevate the discussion about Philippine textiles, not just as a simple whim, as I mentioned, but something that really permeates not just culture, but the way we live and the way we appreciate ourselves as Filipinos. Also, on the responsible development of materials and our responsible consumption as human beings and, of course, as citizens of the world. Ang patutungayan niyo po mamaya is a collection that actually highlights one of the most proud pillars, which is sustainability. Pag sustainability, maraming pong aspeto yan. Environmental sustainability is just one of them. Another one is economic, and of course, the social sustainability. Gusto natin highlight na hindi naman po pwede maganda lang yung suot natin. Naiisip mo ba kung ilang kamay na tumawak sa tela niya? Can you feel the weaver in every thread and the color of the fabrics that we are wearing? Ito po yung part na advocacy natin. That's why we also enjoy particularly those in our agencies and of course our consumers. Napakainin po tayo. Kasi hindi lamang po maganda matela natin, sinisimulan na rin po kopyahin. At pag kinokopya, kung na pong natatamaan dito ay ating mga makahabi na po-break nasa probinsya, kaya rin ng PNP, yung pala, kung sumasali sila sa kanila, they use their names and they sell these very cheap fabrics na alam nila mga natutulog na Philippine made. This is part of a very strong commitment and advocacy that we are championing now by calling out something to be counterfeit. So baka may malapitan ako sa inyo mamaya sasabihin ko counterfeit ko yung suot mo, ay umuwi ka na tayo nakakahiya. Okay? So these are things that we champion beyond our mandate. But I think we have to be conscious. Dahil ang una-una franchise ay ang mga makahabi natin na sustain ng ating textile heritage for all these years. Sila po ang muna nakakamangan na pag bumibili ka ng 150 pesos per yard na tela nagkukunwari handwood movement. Sila po yung unang umaaray kapag sasabihin mo galing ni Fugawya samantalang hindi naman galing ni Fugawya. And we feel them because we know them and they cry. Kaya po malakas itong panawagan po nito. Nakakalungkot, there was just a recent trade fair kay daming counterfeit. Kalahati yata ng nasa trade fair na sponsor pa naman ng gobyerno ay counterfeit. We cannot allow that to be used for government funding. Kaya sa atin ko lang po is, I think we should be the ones setting the tone. Kung hindi mo bibili niya, hindi yan dadami. Pero na po sige. Nagtanong, kaya mahal naman. Kasi po, hindi naman tayo cheap. So we pay for what we are supposed to feel for ourselves. Filipinos are expensive. we are not cheap. So we are supposed to also wear something that we are so proud of. This is part of a bigger advocacy founded on a solid science and technology framework, and this is exactly the story of the fashion event that you will be seeing in bigger this afternoon. Natutuwa ko kami pag may fashion show, kasi hindi naman kami fashion research institute of the Philippines, pero yung fashion show, unang-unang bumibitag sa inyo. Because Filipinos are obsessed with something or anything beautiful. Pag pinaharap mo ang isang maganda, kahit walang maganda na sabi, maganda pa rin siya. Because what meets the eye, yun muna po natin nakikita. But then again, beyond or behind all of these fabrics later on, sana po makita natin the rigor of the science that went with it, the culture that is, is alive behind all of these fabrics, and we celebrate them together, we patronize them. Isang klaso lang ng placement, o isang table runner, o isang doormat, basta gumagamit po tayo, malaking tulong na po ito sa industriya natin. Siguraduhin lang natin, ibibigyan natin, ay talaga namang ating ginawa. With that, maraming salamat po sa pakikisa sa demokrasiya at sa paniniwala at pananalig na science, technology, innovation is indeed the driver of what the Philippines is yet to come. So what these topics are all about, ay hindi lamang po pamana. These are not just gifts. These are actually, we are actually a bridge of that glorious, beautiful past. Bridge them to future. Because these fabrics and textiles, hindi lang pamana, kundi ito ang nandong namin sa kinabukasan. Magandang hapon po sa inyo lahat. Ang buhay ng Pilipinas.